What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back once again. So we got the Jeep over here in the shop. Like I say in my last video, this is we're gonna throw some parts at it and see what we come up with. So we have the wiring harness here. We have the seat recline for the rear seats. Painless. It's a Apollo Intech light switch for all your off-road lights and all that good stuff. It goes up above the rearview mirror. We got some brackets for the 50-inch light bar. We have some cubes, some other hardware to go along with it. We have some LED tail lights, and we have some RBG halo headlights. So let's go. Alright, so let's get into it. So to take your tail lights off, you have to remove these two screws. You don't have to worry about these ones out here, but these two screws and your whole tail light will pop off. I know the camera's kind of close to my face. I got it. Hey, it is what it is. If you see any little gray fuzzy stuff on the corner of the screen, that's the microphone. So let's get into it. We're going to take these two screws off here, these two screws off here, and then it should be plug and play. So I'm going to set you guys down right here so you can see, and let's go. Just like that, pops loose.
And because the situation is so urgent, we're asking you to join in the next 10 minutes. If you do, we'll send you this free membership kit, containing a subscription to our ASPCA Action magazine, a photo of an animal you've helped rescue, and this Animal Champion t-shirt. This is your last chance.
Gotta get a flat tip screwdriver, pop these loose, and this whole thing will come off.
Suffering. Go online or call now.
We're both really stoked on this joy riding because it's done and dangerous. One mistake at a time. Those aren't mistakes. Those are fine-tuning adjustments. It's the greatest thing we've ever done. Rubi Classics back-to-back episodes Friday starting at 10 on Velocity. Catch every episode of Roadkill. Motor Trend On Demand, the ultimate app for automotive enthusiasts. Subscribe now at motortrendondemand.com. There's only one question. Every car can answer. Is it?
So basically, these little clips right here, you just push them in, these pop out, just like that, and then you're good to go.
The air right's going to fit just fine. I just got to make sure that Jordan's on the same page as I am, making sure that those tubs are going to fit. So just basically something like that. My plan was to roll some bigger diameter tubing and cut it in quarters so we can create a nice roll with a flat top and a flat side. That will allow enough room to put a 13-inch wide wheel in the back. I just want a little bit of radius so it matches like this bed rail. keep working, don't let me stop you here. Didn't Shakespeare once say the pen is mightier than the sword or the hammer or one of those? What do you think? You're gonna have your picture too. This works pretty good for a couple laughs here and there. When you throw them on or want help, get with me and I'd like to take a look at them. Cool.
What's up, Jordan? Oh, you just starting on those inner fender wells? Yeah. I know we had talked about building them from scratch because they were that long, elongated shape, you know, they're just not the regular trailer fender looking ones. We have these old fenders back there. I'm wondering if we could just use the shape, maybe cut it down a little bit. This is pretty much the shape of the outside fender. So if we can use this and it's quicker, look into it. If it's easier to make it from scratch, do that. At least take a look at it and see what we can come up with. It's always nice to have options, you know? Yeah. If this fender works, it can save us like 2 days. Thumbs up.
This will be a no-brainer. Kevin's idea is much easier and a little bit simpler to carry out. I just hope Dave doesn't get too pissed off. I
think it looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. I'm excited to see what these new running boards are going to look like on this track because I think this is really going to be the first step to really start to see what my vision is. Oh, it's so good. This is really fun. I like it. Nice and tight. That's a lot neater. I like that. Looks a lot better. Awesome. I was really happy with the way the running boards turned out. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Now it's time to get them over into bodywork. Anytime you have a brand new panel from the manufacturing company, it'll look smooth, but it's not perfect. A little bit of high quality body filler is not the worst thing to make sure that everything is spot on, perfectly smooth, and doesn't have any light deviation, which would show flaws. My vision for the running boards is really starting to take shape. I'm hoping that Jordan does the same with the trucks. Just cut the flange off and put it on there and what are you doing here? This isn't what I asked her to do.
They are some of the hottest videos on social media. Those videos claiming to instantly get rid of bags under your eyes. Well, today we're going to see one for ourselves and let you be the judge. It's called Flexibility. Lifestyle expert Annette Figueroa is here to tell us what she says.
All right, so it seems that we got two plugs, and I'm assuming this plug right here is a plug that goes to the trailer wires. So I'll be right back once I figure it out. Hang tight. All right, so we back. I figured out that there were two plugs. I had the wrong plugs. I just switched them, and we're good to go. So this is kind of what the lights turned off. But this is what they look like. So let's go in here and turn the lights back on. So that's what they'll look like right there. So I'm gonna put these back in, and then turn the reverse lights on. Let you see what those look like.
I have so many talented guys for this shop that can take on pretty much anything. I think it's the perfect one for this job.
And begin the bags and make it lean up. What the cost there is $1,000. So I'm going to go ahead and look inside and see what it looks like.
How's it going?
A little bad news right here. I'll pull apart all these fittings.
Wow.
It's in everything. So I went over to check on Nick and see how he's doing on the Kraken. And I discovered a massive mess.
Like sand.
Yeah, I don't know how it got in there, but I'm guessing the tanks are full of it.
Erosion, it almost looks like beach sand. You're gonna have to pull the tank. We're gonna have to clean all the supply through the valve. We're gonna have to clean the line going to the back.
Just everything.
So this whole system is really screwed. We might have to replace the whole thing. So I think that's the culprit. So
Oh yeah.
I know he's going to drive these cars, so I think that we got the problem. This is all
As you can see, there's your reverse lights, your regular lights, and then I'll hit the brake lights.
Kevin gave me a really straightforward, easy job, and it is snowballing to something larger, messier, and more time than I thought. The valves have button. I gotta pull everything out, flush it, clean it, and put it all back in. I swear, this happens all the time. This is worse than the valves.
So that's what your turn signals look like. And then your brake light would just be this right here in the middle. And then your running light and your reverse light. So I gotta hook the backup camera back in right here. So I gotta figure out which one of these wires goes to the reverse lights, connect them in, and then we're good to go. Put that back in and she's done. So once I do that, I'll be right back. Alright YouTube, we got them in. This is what they look like when they're off.
There's never been a better time to come to Bass Pro Shops than right now.
That's your regular running lights.
I want you to meet my boyfriend Sean. We're getting married.
You got a job? Yes, sir. You smoke? Drink? Do drugs? No, sir. Who's your car insurance with? The general, sir. Welcome to the family, son. Thanks, Dad.
I gotta get the brake to cut on. Sorry about that.
Oh, hey, for my hair, should I go pomade or gel?
Anyway, I'll hit the brakes for you.
This is good for Razorburn?
As soon as I flip you the right side way.
See, I do. Now bring it right to your house. That's my way.
Hi, honey.
Honey, get a DSC starter set for just $5. Go to Dollar Shave Club today.
Best car I've ever seen. I know I had the best time driving it. What's the best way to own something like this?
And your reverse lights.
Call the best place to get you financed. JJ Best Bank.
So there you go. Just that quick, simple and easy, plug and play. Can't beat it. One more look. I think it goes good with that gray. What do you think? Next video to come will be the headlights and a couple more lights that we're going to do on here, but there'll be separate videos. So stay tuned. Come on back. As always, hit the like button, subscribe, and to get notifications, you got to hit the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram at Robbie, rrobin2569, and on Twitter, rrobin2569. Peace out.